Kaugnay pa rin ang balitang yan, bibigyan tayo ng update sa sitwasyon sa Zamboanga City ni Danny Macan Santos ng Radyo ng Bayan, Zamboanga. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Danny. Yes, Danny, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, mga kaibigan, again, Zamboanga City. The press conference called by Mayor Isabel Climaco Salazar ay tapos lamang, mga kaibigan, and the mayor said the city government is mobilizing all resources to address the situation brought about by the infiltration of alleged MNLF members in some coastal barangays in the city early dawn this morning. According to the mayor, the city government is in close coordination with the police and the military, and everything is being done to solve the crisis the soonest possible time with minimal damage to lives and properties. Since the start of the crisis around 4:30 a.m. today, the Zamboanga City Police Office reported that 6 people were killed, 1 policeman, 1 Navy personnel, and 4 civilians, and 24 wounded in the course of the encounter between government troops and rebels. More casualties are reported on the enemy side. According to the mayor, the barangays affected are Santa Catalina, Santa Barbara, Talon-Talon, and 20 hostages are reported in Santa Catalina, Santa Barbara area, and 200 hostages in Casanyangan village. Some 600 evacuees from Arena Blanco and Rio Hondo are sheltered at the Zamboanga Sports Center or the Joaquin Enriquez Memorial Sports Complex, with 847 evacuees at Tetuan Central School and Tetuan Parish Church, while 7 others are at the Talon-Talon National High School. The City Health Office, in cooperation with the private hospitals, are setting up an emergency hospital at the grandstand where all victims will be directed. Ambulances from public and private hospitals will be stationed in the area. The city has also set up a command center with the city administrator Antonio Orenda Jr. as ground supervisor and the city police officer in charge, City Director Colonel Chiquito Malayo, and task force commander are designated ground commanders. The police hotline numbers are 117 and 166 and 0906 36849. Meantime, according to Mayor Climaco, the government will be coming out with hourly bulletins with official statements coming from any official or the office through Twitter account at Zamboanga City Government, and Ben Climaco Facebook accounts. The mayor also said, since all the stores have been closed since this morning in the heart of the city, he will ask the Chamber of Commerce and Industry to open up some stores to accommodate people for food provision. The electric company has also been asked to exert all efforts to prevent power interruptions or curtailment while the situation is still unresolved. For PTV News, this is Danny Macan Santos, Radyo ng Bayan, Zamboanga.